the Smooth 2 seek for breakthrough based on excellent performance. Aluminum alloy material, lasting process, luxury appearance, comfortable hand feeling. For drop resistance, we designed magnet steel integration included bottom, motors, horizontal arm, and smartphone mount. The high temperature curing makes the material more rigid. Now with 4K smartphones bringing up, imaging world has been greatly changed. With Smooth 2, we are able to shooting amazing videos anytime, anywhere. R&D by GE, the honeycomb core arrhythmic, fast attitude control, and efficient motor control technology makes it possible for Smooth 2 to reach industry's highest standard of noise reduction. Even the frame is enlarged 5 times, you will never notice the shaking. This is so convenient that you can immediately switch to front camera for a beautiful selfie when traveling. Brand new functions, for example, Pan Axis 360 degrees unlimited rotation and free switch to vertical mode, will help a lot if you are a talent for live show. Simply keep perfect panoramic view under vertical shooting mode. Using the classic stepless rotational joystick, you can handle everything within fingertip. Easy work, easy fun.
Don't you just hate it when your phone runs out of battery? Our current solution includes carrying around our power bank, plugs, cables, and everything else we need to ensure we don't run out of juice. Imagine if there was a smarter way to save your precious phone battery from running out all the time. Something lightweight and easy to use. Say hello to Cube. It's the world's first revolutionary power bank that combines 3 features into one compact device: power bank, memory card reader, sync, and quick charging cable. You don't even need your USB flash drive anymore. Cube turns into a memory storage device, and it's compatible with any laptop via the USB port. There's no need to carry around any other accessories ever. Cables are often messy, but not Cube. Simply wrap it in its tuckaway slot, and you're good to go. How really does the Cube work? Well, it's a simple concept. Just plug your Cube into your phone and into the power source. It detects when your smartphone is fully charged and redirects the charge to its internal battery. Unlike your power bank that must be charged separately, Cube automatically charges itself while charging your phone. So you always know that Cube is there for you and will never let you down.
Connecting and disconnecting your phone from a charger should be a simple, seamless task. But it isn't. We've all been there, frustrated at our cables for any number of reasons. Despite cable tips becoming smaller, they haven't evolved to become any easier to connect, until now. Presenting the future of USB cables, ASAP Connect. Featuring rare earth neodymium magnets with 18-karat gold plating, ASAP Connect will change the way you interact with your USB devices forever. Featuring the world's first reversible cable on both the phone end and charger end. It works by inserting the tip to the phone, and the cable magnetizes onto the tip instantly, meaning you can effortlessly connect when you only have one hand free, or in a hurry to head out, or even in the dark. You no longer have to worry about your devices getting damaged. We've removed the weakness of your traditional Apple Lightning connector tip, which snaps off easily by combining the tip and base into one piece. We call this the Alpha Connector. One of the engineering hurdles in designing ASAP Connect was its compact size. By condensing the technology down to the size of a fingertip, we're able to make sure that it's compatible with all phone cases.
Have you ever felt that the wires from your earbuds were inconvenient, especially when playing sports? Now you have an option.
Amp-I-Am, the world's lightest battery-free micro headphone amplifier for your iPhone, iPad and iPod devices. It's also the world's first headphone amplifier using Apple official C68 audio lightning adapter, and it only weighs 7 grams, mini in size, stylish design and meets all your needs for high-quality music on the go. Amp-I-Am, amplifier for iDevices that makes music sound amazing. The high-quality components in Amp-I-Am will give your music a greater sense of space, enabling you to hear more clearly the separate instruments, voices and melodies. Detail is greater, so the subtle nuances in vocal intonation or the way a note is played can be heard more easily. Grip on the lower frequencies will also be better, so bass notes should sound more tuneful, driving their own rhythm rather than just being heavy and loud. All of this leads to a more emotionally engaging and therefore enjoyable experience. With Amp-I-Am, listening to the music simply becomes more fun. It's easy to set up Amp-I-Am. Just plug the M-Fi certified Lightning connector into your iPhone, iPad or iPod. Then plug your headphone jack into Amp-I-Am. That's it. That's simple, and now you can listen to music the way the artist intended. Amp-I-Am would allow you to continue to use your favourite headphones and will work as an alternative to whatever Apple provides for compatibility with standard headphones. With Amp-I-Am, you're ready for the iPhone 7 and beyond. Whatever you're doing, jogging, on your way to work or just chillaxing, enjoy an exquisite listening experience. Studio quality music that's clearer and crisper, anytime, anywhere.